Okay, I get it. Maybe you're just trying to be consistent at your fitness routine or any new habit that you have started, or you want that Ronaldo level discipline and dedication, right? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can be disciplined and how you can develop that work ethic. So before I start off with some tips, let's establish the fact what this discipline is. So when you decide to do something and you actually do it, or when you decide not to do something and you avoid doing it, this is called discipline. So now that we know what discipline is, let's just look at some tips how you can improve it. I want you to have this mindset that you will mess up your routine, you will be inconsistent, and you will fail at being disciplined. But the only condition is that the moment you fail, you bounce back. So you'll ask me, why to be this negative? Why to have this negative mindset? That's because there are plenty of external stimulus, scenarios, external forces to disorient your focus. And then your own brain is so pleasure seeker. So stop trying this hard to work against it, guys. So here the idea is not to fight, but to accept it. This mindset will prepare you for failure because you would be anticipating it. The second is eliminating opposing habits. So in the past, whenever I was trying to make a routine, I was putting in as many habits as I can. But as a result of that, what I was doing was that I was putting a lot of opposing habits. The opposing habits are the habits which actually cause me to not be consistent at my routine. Now I'll just give you an example, right? So maybe you're trying to fix your sleep schedule, but you have also piled up some work to do at night. So these are the opposing habits. This seems very obvious, but so sometimes in our fast-paced life, what happens is we end up ignoring these small things, end up achieving nothing. I have one more example for you. For example, you want to build muscle and you have that bad habit of skipping meals. This also may seem obvious, but still, these are the small things that we miss out on and end up being inconsistent. So just tell me one thing, do you expect yourself to lift 100 kg of deadlift at your first day at gym? No, right? You have to build up to the point where you are able to do that. Why the hell do you expect yourself to be disciplined? So what happens, whenever we start a routine, we expect ourselves to be consistent at it for at least 6 months or a year. But you have to understand the fact that discipline is also a muscle which is built over time. Ideally, you should be starting over with
एंड ये स्टार्ट होता है विद स्मॉल थिंग्स. मैं नहीं कह रहा जायंट कोई बहुत बड़ा वो बनाओ गोल कि भैया मैं 10 घंटा रोज पढ़ूंगा, मैं 3 मिनट तो पढ़ नहीं पाता, मैं ले नहीं भाई. सिंपल सा तुम्हें क्या करना है, वॉश बेसिन तुम्हारा गंदा है, तुम पता है, मुझे भी पता है, राइट? उसको साफ करो. टॉयलेट गंदा है, उसको साफ करो. हर हफ्ते अब तुम ये 2 चीजें साफ करोगे, खुद से उनको ऑर्गेनाइज करोगे अपना बाथरूम, और तुम देखो क्या फीलिंग आती है. मैं बता रहा हूं, एक बार करो आज और फीलिंग देखना फिर क्या आएगी.
simple task. That's because your brain works on results, your brain works on feedback. So if you achieve that small task, your brain gets a feedback that starting and completing task is easy. So when you actually start to do a difficult task, it would be much easier for you. Let's say you want to break this habit of watching Netflix. What do? On the day 1, you watch 1 episode less than what you watch regularly. So the next day, I'm telling you guys, this day would be the most challenging day for you. You have to start the Netflix episode, any episode of any series. The moment you're starting to enjoy that episode, you have to shut it down. And I'm telling you guys, this won't be easy because you're going against your brain, which is a pleasure-seeking machine. But trust me guys, this is the thing which will build your discipline muscle, and the next day it would be even more easy to avoid Netflix, right? Now this was just an example. You can take any task, any habit that you want to do, or any habit that you want to break. With this, I would just like to end this video. I hope you like this video. I hope you get some value. What you can do is you can just comment down your own tips of discipline that you follow to be consistent at anything.
Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?